Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about stock market, stock and financial markets. You see, I had predicted in my article is mentioned in the link that there's going to be a bubble burst, and before the bubble burst, it will become big. And the lunation charts of the 2nd September, 17th September are prone to all this, and specifically after when the nodes change sign after the 19th of September, and then the prone dates are from the 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th to 6th of October. From 27th of September to 6th of October are most prone dates, because in the Rashi Sangata Chakra there is Veda, and then there will be a aspect of Mars on Ketu, and as far as the Rashi Sangata Chakra is concerned, there is a Veda, and then there is an aspect also. The planetary positions are parallel to the conditions in September 1965, and if you superimpose the planets in the Rashi Sangata of the lunation charts of the 2nd September and the 17th September on the Chinese foundation chart, then you will appreciate yourself that Mars will be activated, Moon will be activated, and Venus will be activated. Now Mars is placed in the 7th house, and it is aspecting the 7th Lord in the foundation chart of China, and Mars will be in the 4th house. Now 4th house Mars will aspect the Venus in the 7th house in the transit, and also the Venus in the 10th house, and 10th house is the president of the country, president and the prime minister of the country. So he will have an aggressive mood, and friends, this combination, although for war, the combinations are that Ketu or Rahu must be afflicted by Mars and Saturn. Here Ketu is only getting affliction by Mars, but it is also not good. So maybe if war is not there, warlike situations will definitely arise. But we are talking about this year. The next year predictions are already made in February. On the 12th of February, there are 6 or 7 planets in the sign Capricorn, and then India faces always, as per Brahmira, India always faces troubles when there are affliction in the sign Capricorn, and they are malefics in the Taurus and Scorpio axis. So we will talk about February later on, and after the eclipse of the 14th December. But presently the planetary positions in the month of September and October are not conducive. They are prone to war-like situation and brawl between the countries. Maybe it is India, China, it is China, US, or in the Middle East, even in the Middle East, because Saturn has completed its 90-year cycle. My predictions for aggression are also proving correct, as a brawl between the countries, and then the stock and financial markets, and then I had predicted on the basis of Venus transit in the sign Gemini and Cancer from the 1st of September, and I had predicted that there is a Itzal between Mars, Saturn and Venus, and this is the most malefic combination, because Venus, as I mentioned, it is reaching the 5th house of the India foundation chart, where it debilitates as per declination, and the entertainment industry, the film industry, the actors, actresses will all suffer, especially who are prone to all this. And we know the Sushant Singh Rajput case has become most mysterious, so all these scandals and will be surfaced, and the cat will come out of the bag, and the culprit will be brought to book. The other parameter is that the Maharashtra government may also face troubles, maybe because of mishandling of the case, or maybe because, as I've already mentioned, in the chart of Uddhav Thackeray, the 10th Lord Mercury is fallen, and it is placed in its own house. It is also running the Dasha of Mercury. So what happens? Such a planet, because it is placed in its own house, it gives rise, it gives some status, and then it withdraws also as per Bhav Siddhikal when it goes in the Lagna. And Mercury is already now transiting in the sign, in the ascendant, the Virgo sign, and then very shortly very shortly, what do you call, Rahu will come over his natal Mars in the 9th house, and you will see for yourself the predictions which I have made will prove spot on, and they are already giving indications that there is definitely a scandal, there is definitely a racket behind Sushant Singh's murder, and all my predictions and all my articles are proving spot on as far as the Sushant Singh Rajput mystery case is also concerned. So all my dates are also proving correct, whether it is for the brawl between the countries, between India and China, or it is for the financial part of the world, the global part of the world for financial crisis, or it is for aggression between the countries, or for Sushant Singh case. All predictions are proving spot on. Earlier I had made predictions for rain, havoc from rains and floods, that have also proved spot on using the Rashi Sangata Chakra and the Kurma Chakra. So that is what I just wanted to share with you, friends, that all predictions are proving spot on. I don't do any postmortem. I have made already about more than 1400 predictions prior to, no postmortem, and all predictions have been made much in advance of the happenings. You can see for yourself. Some, I don't want to mention, some astrologers, I have been told they are copy pasting my predictions, but I am not bothered. That is my destiny and their destiny. I can't change their destiny and they can't change my destiny. So whatever is in my destiny, I have to face that, and whatever is in their destiny, they have to face. So friends, this is all. And I mentioned, you see, all the astrologers are just mentioning this will happen, that will happen. They are not giving any astrological reasons. So without any astrological reasons, predictions have no meaning. So this is all just I wanted to share, friends, and that's about all. Astrology is amazing if it is used in a proper way and proper analysis is made and proper parameters are made. I use all the Tamil texts and Tamil classics, and together with the Parashar. So combining all of them and the mundane astrology. Mundane astrology is most difficult. It is not to be done the way the natal astrology is done, and most of the astrologers are doing mundane astrology as per natal astrology, which is not correct. So friends, it has to be seen as per the book of Mundane Astrology Guide, Shri K.N. Rao. So if you go through that book and predict according to that, there is no reason that the predictions will go wrong. And then using the techniques of our late stalwart Hardev Sharma Trivedi ji, who as per Vyapar Ratan and as per the Rashi Sangata Chakra. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. I don't hide anything. I write everything, and it is good for the upcoming students of astrology and astrologers. It will be good for them if they try to learn and make use of it. I don't say I am an expert, but definitely we can exchange our thoughts, and we must share our knowledge. So and by sharing our knowledge, the intensity of the predictions also increases. The intensity and the depth of astrology also increases. So that's about all I just wanted to share, friends. So good luck and good day, and bye bye. Thank you.